Good afternoon, ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. This is Balatron and we have just completed Balakna Bar. And now we're heading our way to Fort William, which should be an epic trip because of these mountain passes are next level. We've already been through here on the last video. No, it weren't, it was the video before, but I think looking at this from the other direction will be just as good. I think we're going on the A87 to get back to, to get to Fort William. Look at that. Unbelievable. Seems that I need to get more Insta360 batteries. When the kids are old enough, I'll be able to take them out on trips as well. Logan's probably, my son's probably big enough to go on the back now, so we might try that. Just a pile of hay on the side of the road. Absolutely stunning. I didn't expect this at the beginning of April, if I'm honest. I thought it was going to be really unsettled. Saying that the first couple of days, that was pretty unsettled, wasn't it? Gorgeous places. Look at this. I mean, look at these little rocks, just like little miniature mountains, look. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now we're on the A87. Oh look, a YouTube comment. I don't know whether you've seen that on the phone then. It's got a notification. I'll tell you what, there ain't nothing like getting out on your bike and just going somewhere. It's absolutely brilliant. It really is. For the people who do not ride motorcycles, if there is any that watch this channel, the reason we do it is of this. Look at it, the freedom. Being out there on the open road, absolutely loving life. There's nothing in the world like it. There really isn't. Nothing. Is that a castle over there, I think? Maybe. Alan Dunnan Castle or something like that. There's a lot of people there. Any good twisty roads down here? Of course there is. Simply stunning. Just twist after twist. Just swooping bends. And absolutely amazing views. It's just never-ending beauty. It's as simple as that. I'm not normally lost for words. But I honestly do not know what to say on this trip. All I know is I'm absolutely loving it. I don't think there's anywhere else I'd rather be at the minute. I think it was a good choice going to Scotland rather than Germany. But Germany is still on the cards, I've already said it, and it is definitely going to happen. But I'd like to do it with somebody. Look at this! Yes! It's like a big cutout look for the road. That's some serious man effort to cut that out. Kintail Lodge Hotel. Lovely place to stop, especially if you like your fishing. That looks like it's been there a while, doesn't it? Fort William, 57 miles. Look at that! I definitely need more Insta360 batteries. I'm missing out on some epic shots here. Just look at that! What an amazing view! Man! I mean, Wales is nice, but sorry, Scotland's wait for me a little bit. It's just never ending. Every time I turn the camera off, I have to put it back on again. Watch out for the goats. Simply stunning. Look at it. Gotta stop saying it now, ain't I? Wow. It does not look real at all. Well, I finally hit the traffic, ladies and gents. But it gives me a chance to show you this amazing view. Like you haven't seen enough views on this tour already. Sun's out and a bit of snow as well. On the top of the mountains. It's just so vast, really vast, super stunning. Landor Bakehouse. Jesus Christ. Sorry about the blasphemy. My God. Everywhere you look, there's something else to look at. Just take that in for a minute, ladies and gents. Look at that. Unreal. Is this a dam by any chance? Can you see it? Is that a dam? I'm not sure. I think it is. Hell yes it is. I don't know what dam it is, but it's a dam. "41 miles remaining to Fort William." Starting to get wrist ache from riding as well. Nothing else. This road would be awesome if there was no traffic on it. just endless mountain after mountain after mountain everywhere you look. 32 miles from Fort William. Simply stunning. I wonder how many people have unsubscribed for me saying that. Rocking the road there. Be careful of stuff like that, aren't you? If you are enjoying this content and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and the like button would be nice as well. But if not, you can always put a thumb down. It's not an issue. Either way, let me know how you feel in the comments or with the like button. We're 11 miles away from Fort William now, and look at that for a view. Absolutely stunning. Sorry. Absolutely gorgeous. That's a new one. Gorgeous. Not going to say it. Gorgeous. Now that one at the back there has got to be the biggest one I've seen with the most snow on it. Look at that. Oh, getting covered up by the trees. Sorry. Look at it. Just look at it. On this trip we've covered 679 miles so far, which is not bad at all. Before I set off, there's a channel called All the Gear No Idea. He offered me to stay at his place on the way up. I ended up going to Edinburgh instead, but thank you very much for the offer, and hopefully we'll be able to meet up at some point and go for a proper blast. My timing is impeccable. Kalimoto does pull out some good ones at times, doesn't it? Now that is definitely a bridge you'll fly off, like I did the other day. A little bit of fresh tarmac here, got to be careful. 4 miles remaining. Look at that. Welcome to Fort William. Saying 1 mile away. I'm gonna get ahead of myself. Must be. Well then guys, I've made it here to Fort William, and this is the end of this video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, this has been Bailotron, and I'll speak to you soon. Ta-da!